up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming some unboxings and I have my Birchbox from May. Although I am not going to be renewing the subscription, I am still filming my unboxings just to see what they got. And actually my last two Birchboxes were not so bad. But I am getting a little overwhelmed with how much product I've been receiving. I still love Ipsy, it's the best. So if you want to see what's inside my May Birchbox, please keep watching. First things first, Destination Beauty. This month we're leaning into the shift from spring to summer. That in-between moment when calendars start to fill, weekends turn into getaways, and your travel bag becomes a curated edit of beauty favorites. As you move through the season, we're bringing you skin-loving formulas that nourish and restore alongside effortless makeup designed to warm, enhance, and illuminate. Consider this your invitation to refresh your routine, embrace the glow, and take your beauty essentials wherever the season leads. Cute. I love that. I'm ready for summer. Let's do it. Is May Matte MAC lipstick. Literally, I've been saying matte is coming back. It is such a cute little mini, beautiful color. Gorgeous. I would put it on, but already got a lipstick on. I love that. I love that little mini. Okay, this is the Power Pop Amino Acid Serum. I don't know what is up with this packaging. It is like super crusty looking. Cell pH serum. Has no smell, just a peptide serum. Next is the Huna Revitalizing Age Grace Face Serum with rose hips. A lot of skincare in this one, holy cow. Buckthornberry. It smells apothecary and yeah, just like a basic oil. This is from Oribe, the Matte Waves Texture Lotion. I'm excited to try this. I do love an air dry lotion. I often do wear my hair without it being heat styled, so I'll definitely give that a go. Then we have the OUAI Lip Enhancer. Doesn't really have a smell. It's just like a not very thick either. It's a little, it's like an oil. Feels good though. Alright you guys, that is what was in my Birchbox for the month of May. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.